So God is picking up here about turning the hearts of the fathers to the young ones. These days, the elderly people have decided to play. And some of them, if they are confronted, because the gospel that we preach, it has got to pierce through somebody's heart. They decide to go to churches where they are just going to make a religion. They just play in church. And no word after that. Nyuka.
Say,
Nyuka. It's just a play. There's no substance, there's no word. Those are elderly people playing, preaching games. Then you just bring young people to sit on the, you see in the world, in secular churches, people, they want shortcuts.
What do you want?
What
Go to the classes. And then you write your exam, you get the jacket. And then
now,
Goku,
these young ones who are growing up, especially the former Model C students, they just go to these churches. There's no life here. I looked at them. I attended a funeral at home yesterday. So this young girl, one of the twins, who passed away from our family. So then they were old enough, they were working. So their colleagues were there. Former colleagues, former students who went through these, private schools. One of them, she was addressing, people, talking about this young girl who's late. She said, unfortunately, we are these people that have just been spoken about here, that do not understand Xhosa kakhulu, talk Xhosa.
And we as parents, we took them there and they say they don't understand.
We are that generation. And she started speaking English. And when they were singing these songs, they were just moving around the coffin. When they were singing, no word. They are just imitating because they don't understand. But give them a substance. Give them a song with a meaning. It sinks into their hearts. They begin to lift up their hands because they can connect with the song. That's a generation that God is busy raising up. That is not going to imitate church. That they are going to live church. So the God now has taken that spirit given to those children. They play church. They play church. They say, stand here. Touch, then you fall.
And then you fall.
They play all these things that they see. At home, they pick up a mic.
Takes up the mic.
When they see a handkerchief, the first thing who skipper wants to do. They look at me. And they're preaching again.
And then the preacher.
And then I asked, what are you doing? And I asked, what are you doing? I said, I'm preaching that.
I'm preaching that.
So this is what is happening. Yeah, man. When you visit these places, and the night vigils, Then you look at them. You say,
ingqungquthela-
oh,
say-
they are busy doing what Skipper is doing.
Oh, they are doing le nto yenziwa ngoskipper.
Again, again.
Kuthiwa ngena.
Nyuka. It's just a plan.
Ngumdlalo.
I can't understand.
Awazi.
But the children now,
Abantwana ngoku
they want a substance.
bafuna
When they begin to open up their mouth,
xa bevula imilomo
they
yabo
are not religious.
abekho
They
religious.
speak out a substance.
Bathetha into enomongo.
Amen.
Amen.
God is turning what?
uThixo
Hearts
uthika
of
ntoni?
what?
Inhliziyo sobani
Of children.
zabantwana
We bring it to the fathers.
kodada.
2. Point number 2.
Okwesibini,
God is a God of families.
uThixo nguThixo wamakhaya.
This is what we want to restore, because before we can reach out,
Phambi koba siye pha
we
ngaphandle
need to understand that before there were families here,
kufuneka sabe bekhona iintsapho,
there is a bigger family.
kukhona usapho olukhulu.
That is why people, they don't understand the church concept.
Yiyo le nto bangawuqondi abantu umongo
They
wenkonzo.
don't understand that this is a family.
Abazi ukuthi lusapho olu.
First family, ekaThixo.
Eyokuqala, it is of God.
Then it's us.
Ebesithi ke ngoku.
Now, when it comes to this concept of family,
That's-
Ephesians 4:3, verse 14.
Ama-Efeso chapter 3 verse 14 to 15.
You need to understand.
Funeka
Because that's why we're so concerned. Babies, they're also so concerned about their own little so-called thing that they are families.
Abantwana abancinci basoloko becinga
Ba ingathi le nto anayo nguSihlayiya, nguIka,
Okay.
nguKhulu, nguThubo. Then he thinks about iphelele family. There's a bigger family than that.
abantu basoloko becinga ngezifemeli zabo ezincinci zalapha enyameni belibele ukuthi ikhona ifemeli enkulu kaThixo.
There may be some reasons why Paul, in the revelation of the mystery of the church. So, Paul, if you read that chapter from verse 3,
Ubufunda
from
lapha-
verse 1,
From verse 1.
it's a revelation of the mystery of the church, where you begin to understand what a church is.
Ulapho uye uqonde khona ukuthi ibandla yintoni.
Now, Paul is saying,
Uthi ke uPawulos
14,
verse 14.
for this reason,
Ngenxa yesizathu
I bow my knees to the Father of our Lord Jesus Christ,
ndithi ndigobe amadolo am kuye
from
uThixo
whom the whole family
apho lonke usapho
in heaven
elisezulwini
and on earth
nalapha emhlabeni
is named.
elithe libizwe ngayo.
So these two families,
Ezi family zimbili
they've got one name.
zinegama elinye.
And that he who grant you, no, from whom the whole family in heaven and earth is named. When God looks at us,
Xa uThixo jonga kuthi
there's a family on earth,
kukho usapho apha emhlabeni,
there's a family in heaven.
kukho usapho emazulwini.
Before, don't not talk about your family.
Andithethi ngale yakho.
Before you can go down to your small, it can downscale to your Shia family.
Phambi koba ufike kule family yakho yakwaSihlayi.
There's a family here on earth
Kukhona nje ifamily lapha
that you
emhlabeni
need to understand.
ekufuneka uyiqondile.
For you to be able to reach out to those people who are not saved,
Ukuze ukwazi ufikelela kwabantu
you must
bangasizwe.
adopt this concept of the family in heaven and the family on earth.
Ufuneka uyamkele le ngcingane yesapho lisemazulwini nolapha
And
emhlabeni.
understand that whatever rewards that we may speak about,
Wazi ukuthi nayiphi na uvuzo olusawuthetha
it's
ngalo.
all around these families.
Kuxhomekeke kule meko yesifemeli.
Will be influenced by your contribution in making this big family functional.
Kwaxhomekeke ukuthi mawenze olu sapho olukhulu ukuthi lisebenze.